before this parking sensor blinking and warning light on. See before parking sensor not working and now working. You can see here when I off it's okay, on, there is no blinking and working parking sensor. Great success. Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Honda CRV 2020 model. This car have a problem, parking sensor not working. See, when I put reverse, parking sensor parking light blinking like this and warning light check system, and here when I put reverse, park sensor not working. Okay, today I will show you how you can solve this problem. See, parking light blinking. First of all, we check with our diagnosis tool. Now it is a parking sensor. Here you can see in body control, parking sensor, read code. Here you can see fault is B261D, B261E, rear second sensor failure, third sensor data failure, fourth sensor data failure. Customer told me he service a downside, then it's happened like this. Before a car is perfect, there is no issue. Okay, so now we check inside the car and I check go under the bumper, because they told me the service car and then it's happened. Okay, so we check all wire for parking sensor. Here is the first one which is good, and second one also, but this is I think loose connection is there. You can see here there is a loose connection. See, when I think high pressure for when the service is removed. Okay, now I fix it properly, and you can see here wiring color code also there. Okay, now check working or not. Fix it back, ignition on, and reset fault code. Read code. Now there is no fault code. Put gear reverse, and here you can see there is no warning light and parking sensor working. See, now there is no blinking. You can see here when I put reverse, park sensor working. See, when you off, okay, and when I on, see working. Rear side. Great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.